welcome back to MasterKeithSystem. On today's episode, we talk about the problem with visualization. So this is going to focus on the three aspects that I like to think about daily if I ever think about visualization, and those three aspects are empowering, changing, and growing. Whoa! It's right there. What empowering, changing, and growing is to me is directly involved with the art of visualization. So empowering is the visual aspect of visualization. So you're closing your eyes and you're picturing whatever it is that you want, whatever goal you want to achieve, whatever award you want to receive, whatever recognition you want, whatever it is you want. You are closing your eyes and you're seeing that. Now, the second part of visualization ties into the change factor. So when we're closing our eyes and we're feeling what we're feeling, we are rushed with emotions, especially if it's something good that we want, and our blood's pumping, our breathing might increase. You know, we might clench our fists depending on what we're visualizing. But whatever it is we're visualizing, especially, you know, the stronger you're visualizing, the more you're in the moment, then the stronger the feeling will be. And when you're in that moment, your body physically changes. When your breathing increases, when your blood's pumping, your body's going through a physical change. Might be very minute, but it's still a physical change. So when you're doing a visualization, you're doing a very good service for your body because your body is changing constantly. And here's where the problem arises. Some people get caught up in the trap of visualization where they stay in the empower and change phases of the visualization. They enjoy closing their eyes and seeing their dreams and feeling really powerful or feeling really emotional, and they don't want to put in any effort or work to try to make those dreams come true. You could be putting your visualization use to practice and trying to see something that you want and work towards it, which is the growth phase that I'll get into. The problem is when you get so caught up in the empowering and change process that you start to forget that growth, you can work towards what you want. And the growth phase is pretty much getting into the process of working towards your dreams. A lot of people, when they achieve their dreams, you know, you hear them say, you know, there's no words to describe how I'm feeling. I can't express how I'm feeling. And I think it's because it's the fact. Like, if you've thought about something that you've really wanted, that you've achieved, and you really thought about how you felt in that moment, you know, you could say happy, grateful, whatever it may be, but you really can't describe what that feeling is. And it's a culmination of your hard work, your dedication, and what you've done to get to where you currently are. And sometimes we visualize it. Sometimes we do close our eyes and we think about a moment that we're standing in currently whenever we achieve our dreams. And sometimes we don't. Sometimes we achieve something and we're like, wow, that just happened. I can't believe it. So getting out of the empowering and changing process of your visualization is difficult, especially if you're very comfortable with where you're at. So, problem, solution. There's always something you could do. That's a mantra that I like to live by. There's always something you could do. But no matter what it is you do, in any aspect of life, no matter what your goal is, especially if it's to a good purpose or whatever it may be, the one constant in that phase of growth is yourself. You can always focus on yourself. No matter what your goal is, no matter what you want to achieve, 9 out of 10 times, maybe 99 out of 100 times, you need to be feeling good, looking good, in physical shape and mental shape, and there's always something you could do to achieve that. Maybe you're closing your eyes and you're just saying to yourself, I want to feel good every day, or I want to stop thinking these things. You know, okay, well, what do I have to do? What are my next steps to do that? In my last video, I talked about a technique called stop, think, breathe, where you really try to think about what it is that's bothering you and bring it into light. And in that, you can get a starting point for your visualization. You can get a starting point for your empowering and changing process. You could start to close your eyes and really feel what it is you're feeling, and that emotion should take over to where sometimes your body just naturally grows. You know, you see more of a desire to do things. You see more of a desire to achieve or research whatever it is you want to research. So if you are to solve anything, how can you be the best person that you can be for whatever it is you want to do? Thank you for tuning in today for this episode. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you feel like any of the information here is valuable to you or valuable to someone, feel free to reach out to me via email or comments. I always love talking about our episodes, and we'll see you next time.